Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Zen garden is probably one of the most unique and calming tools you can add to your life. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of sand gardens, exploring their benefits for anxiety relief, and helping you find the perfect one to suit your needs. We'll cover everything from the different types of gardens to the tools and accessories that can enhance your experience, so you can create your own personal oasis of calm. Number 5. ENSO Sensory Zen Garden Kit. This Zen garden is loved by therapists. It supports emotional regulation, stress relief, and mindfulness. It creates a peaceful space for grounding in your home or office. Feel the soothing textures as you roll the Zen spheres. Each represents an element. Watch mesmerizing patterns form in the natural sand, guiding you into a meditative state. Designed for anxiety relief, this kit offers a hands-on retreat. Raking or rolling the spheres soothes the nervous system. It supports tactile mindfulness. This desk garden is trusted by professionals to help regulate emotions. It helps people self-soothe and bond through calming, mindful interaction. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who needs to de-stress. The kit includes everything needed for daily calm, clarity, and focus. Give the gift of peace. What we like. This Zen garden is recommended by therapists, making it a great choice if you're looking for a tool to help manage anxiety and promote emotional wellness. It offers a hands-on retreat, allowing you to engage your senses and find your flow. If you struggle with traditional meditation, this might be the perfect way for you to find calm. What people say. All the pieces are high quality and very well made. It's aesthetically very beautiful and comes with a variety of tools and textures that I have to say are very calming. The sand is very fine and silky. Number 4. Mini Meditation Zen Garden Kit. Need a moment of calm? This mini Zen garden is perfect for stressful days. It includes a Buddha statue, autumn maple trees, incense, mini bamboo rakes, a Zen garden bridge, and river rocks. Place this on your desk and find your center. When stress hits, rake the rock garden. The repetitive motion helps you escape daily pressures and find peace. This Zen garden features a wooden tray, 2 bamboo rakes, a Buddha statue, and incense. Its size is perfect for most tables and desks, bringing tranquility to any space. Looking for a unique gift? This Zen garden is perfect for birthdays and holidays. Its meditative nature helps anyone clear their mind. It's a gift that promotes relaxation. We offer the best value and stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us for a replacement or refund. We want you to enjoy your meditation time. What we like. This mini Zen garden is perfect if you want a quick escape from work-related stress. It includes a Buddha statue and accessories to create a peaceful environment. If you are looking for a compact, desk-friendly option to bring tranquility to your workspace, this is a great choice. What people say. It has the statue, tree, bridge, rocks, and rakes. The base is wood and nicely made. The little statue even has a holder for incense, and it brings the incense sticks as well. Number 3. BangBangDa Zen Garden Kit. This Japanese Zen garden brings the tranquility of nature into your space. It allows you to escape the everyday hustle and find peace, just like a serene courtyard. You can be yourself in nature as you wish. Place this Zen garden on your desk to help you unwind. When you're feeling stressed, raking the sand can calm you. Focusing on these repetitive motions allows your mind to escape daily pressures. This kit includes a large decorative iron tray and many other items. It's perfect for a meditation corner in your home or office, even if your space is small. Enjoy your own private Zen garden time. The Zen garden is a thoughtful gift for yourself or a loved one. Its meditative nature can help anyone clear their mind. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, and other special occasions. We offer the best value and have great confidence in our product. If you have any issues, just contact us. We are here to make our customers satisfied. We hope you enjoy your meditation time. What we like. This Zen garden brings the beauty of nature to your desk. It's designed to help you reduce work-related stress. If you like the idea of escaping into a miniature natural landscape during your day, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The sand is very fine and the tools are well made. The tray is a nice size and the wood is smooth. It's a great size for a desk and the tools are easy to use. Number 2. Yoquare Mini Zen Garden 10x7 Rectangular Tray. Introducing the Yoquare Mini Zen Garden. This complete sand table is perfect for bringing the calming experience of a Zen garden to your desk or home. It's designed to fit perfectly in any small space. This set includes a variety of accessories like a cherry tree, willow, courtyard gate, and several types of stones. These elements help create a miniature landscape for your relaxation and meditation. This Japanese Zen garden is designed to aid in meditation and reduce stress. It helps create a calming energy, allowing you to feel the relaxing atmosphere and add contemplative peace to your space. Place it on your desk and use it to calm yourself during stressful moments. Focusing on the repetitive movements of raking the sand can free your mind from daily pressures. It's a great way to unwind. This Zen garden makes a delightful gift for yourself or a loved one. It's gorgeously packed with elements of inner peace, making it a thoughtful and luxurious present. Give the gift of tranquility. What we like. This Zen garden offers a complete set of accessories to create a calming environment. It is designed to help you practice meditation and release stress. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit to enhance your mindfulness practice, you should consider this one. What people say. It's perfect for anti-anxiety and is a great low dopamine activity for brain breaks. Hours of relaxing fun without a screen. The packaging was great as everything is separate and not messy. Product arrived really fast and is as described. Perfect if you're searching for a new hobby or trying to get your mind off things. Very peaceful and relaxing. Number 1. Japanese Zen Garden Kit for Desk. This desk-sized Zen garden is perfect for creating a calming atmosphere. It includes a variety of accessories to help you build your own miniature landscape. It's a great way to find peace and relaxation. The 14 by 10 inch wooden pallet provides ample space for creativity. You can arrange the included accessories to create your own unique Zen garden. This allows you to express yourself and find your inner peace. This kit comes with over 25 accessories. These include trees, an incense burner, a bridge, and various types of stones. These items help you create a tranquil environment. This Zen garden is designed to promote meditation and reduce stress. By focusing on the simple act of raking the sand, you can clear your mind. It helps you to find a sense of calm and mindfulness. Place this garden on your desk to help manage stress. When you feel overwhelmed, take a moment to rake the sand. This repetitive action can help you to relax and refocus. This Zen garden makes a thoughtful gift for yourself or a loved one. It's beautifully packaged and filled with elements of inner peace. It is a delightful and luxurious gift set. What we like. This Zen garden offers a larger size and more accessories, providing more space for creativity and relaxation. It is designed to help you practice meditation and release stress. If you like the idea of having more options to create your own Zen space, you should consider this one. What people say. The sand is a nice texture and the tools are well made. The tray is a nice size and the tools are well made. The sand garden is a great way to relax and de-stress. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.